Hey food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. Hey everyone, if you're craving a delicious healthy wrap that's perfect for any meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, brunch, or dinner, I've got just the thing for you today. We're making a tasty turkey breast wrap with Lavash bread, and trust me, it's packed with flavor and nutrition. Let's get started. First, grab a piece of Lavash bread. It's soft, flexible, and perfect for wrapping. You'll want a base that's light, but sturdy enough to hold all the delicious fillings. Next, layer in 2 slices of lean turkey breast. This gives you a healthy protein boost and keeps the wrap nice and hearty. Now, for a little creamy goodness, add a slice of Swiss cheese. It's got that rich, smooth flavor, and it melts just perfectly when you roll it up. Let's freshen things up with some crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions. These veggies not only add texture, but they're loaded with vitamins and antioxidants to keep you feeling your best. Now, for a little extra goodness, throw in a handful of fresh spinach leaves and a few sprigs of cilantro. These greens add even more nutrients and a burst of fresh flavor. To tie everything together, drizzle on some Thousand Island dressing. It adds a nice tangy sweet flavor that complements all the ingredients perfectly. Now, fold in the sides of the lavash and carefully roll it up tight. Press it gently to seal everything inside. There you go, a healthy, flavorful turkey breast wrap that's great for any time of day. Whether you're on the go, at home, or looking for something quick and satisfying, this wrap has you covered. So easy to make, so good to eat. Give it a try and enjoy a balanced meal that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Happy eating, and don't forget to fuel your day the healthy way.
Subscribe.